Sup everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how the Bluetooth function works on the alphatheta OMNIS-DUO. If I tap the top right corner, it'll show me the various wireless connections, Bluetooth input, Bluetooth output, and Wi-Fi. Regarding Bluetooth, you can either use input or output, not both at the same time. With the Bluetooth output enabled, I can send my master output to a Bluetooth speaker. Disclaimer, it's recommended to DJ using headphones due to the significant latency in the Bluetooth transmission. This is where the Wave 8 is useful, providing low latency wireless audio using SonicLink. To use either input or output, enable the desired one, then press and hold the pairing button. I'm going to show you the input side for the rest of this video. I've previously connected my iPad to it, so I'm on settings, Bluetooth, I just need to tap the OMNIS-DUO profile and I'm connected. It should then flip to the sources screen straight away. It'll show me where to send the input, mixer or deck, along with a space for track information. With mixer selected and a channel assigned, the function is much like the Opus Quad and the DJM A9. You can control trim, EQ, add color or beat effects. A side note, when the Bluetooth input is assigned to a channel or deck, the recording function is disabled. Whilst your Bluetooth source is connected, you can use the transport options to play, pause, go forward and back. Okay, now I'm going to unassign the channel and send it to deck. Before I assign it to deck 1, I'm going to pause the track, clear the cache, hit play, then assign to deck 1. What happens now is that while audio is playing from my iPad, it is being recorded in its 10-minute buffer. It will then generate waveforms and detect BPM from the track. I can essentially cue in any track streaming from my device and play it just like any other track on my USB. I can scratch, scrub, enter hot cues, beat loop, beat jump, and it will sound seamless. Just note that if you skip songs, get notifications, it records every single move, so be sure to set your device on Do Not Disturb. Mind you, I'm recording the audio over USB-C, so this acts as an audio interface. You can record it out onto your DAW or Audacity. Another note, when you unplug your USB or SD card without hitting USB stop, the whole track will be cached on the deck. As for Bluetooth, when you unpair your device without unassigning, the whole track will stay cached on the deck till you load another track. For more tips, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.